Turkey, the light to enlighten the future is on today. Have you known that stunning developments are being experienced in Turkey? Turkey takes firm steps forwards to manufacture its own aircraft engine. Let's witness together how this light has arisen, and how it has brightened, and how it will enlighten our future. TEI, which was originated from the collaboration of Turkish Aerospace Industries Incorporated, General Electric, Turkish Armed Forces Foundation, and Turkish Aeronautical Association, has been a leading brand in the field of aviation engines since 1985. Also, TEI is one of the major exporters in Turkey in the field of advanced technology, with the figures exceeding $2 billion. Having started manufacturing with 12 parts, TEI now achieves to manufacture more than 770 parts for more than 40 different military and civil engine programs. It becomes more powerful day by day with its over 1,500 employees. TEI is preferred much more in the aviation engines industry every passing day, thanks to its on-time delivery, high quality, and competitive prices. It ranks first in Turkey with its international competences and certification approvals for 42 different special processes in its own field, while ranking among the top 5 around the world. TEI, who achieved to be awarded as the Outstanding Source of Repair in 2004, 2008, and 2011, has become more assertive in its field. Accordingly, it rapidly develops in order to be the regional center with its projects for maintenance, repair, and overhaul of the aircraft engines, carried out not only for Turkey, but also for the countries in the region. The R&D studies carried out through a very assertive budget, even in a worldwide scale, will bear its fruits very soon, and will have brought the domestic and indigenous air platform engine in Turkey. With the awareness of that reliability and quality is of utmost importance in the industry, we will ensure that the first indigenous engine of TEI will meet the sky with TEI's authentic design, high-tech capabilities, international market presence, and experience. And in order to enlighten the future, we will ignite the light, which will never turn off.